Hey there, car enthusiasts! Have you ever stopped to think about how car dashboards have evolved over the years? It's mind-blowing to see the transformation from basic designs to the high-tech interfaces we have today. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of car manufacturing and explore how Volkswagen makes tires from scratch. Introducing the process of making car dashboards from raw materials to the finished product is a true art form. The craftsmanship and technology involved in this process are truly remarkable. One of the biggest challenges in designing car dashboards is finding the perfect balance between aesthetics, functionality, and safety. It's not just about making them look good, they also need to be practical and ensure the driver's safety. When it comes to the materials used, car dashboards are typically made from a combination of plastics, leather, and metals. These materials are carefully shaped and assembled to create the final product we see in our vehicles. Now, the climax of the process is when all the components come together to form the complete dashboard. From the screens and buttons to the air vents, every detail plays a crucial role in the functionality and design of the dashboard. In conclusion, the intricate process of making car dashboards highlights the importance of attention to detail. It's the small things that make a big difference in the quality of the end product. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe for more videos on car manufacturing processes. We'd love to hear your thoughts on your favorite dashboard designs in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.